Description: Metasploitable is a virtual machine image created by SourceForge. This virtual machine has many vulnerabilities. Metasploitable is an intentionally vulnerable Linux virtual machine. This virtual machine can be used for security training, testing security tools, and practicing common penetration testing techniques. To install Metasploitable, you first need to download the disk image file to your computer. For this, open your favorite web browser. Type Metasploitable in the search engine. Click on the link belonging to SourceForge among the results. Click on the Download option on this screen. When the Save button is clicked on the screen, the image file starts to be downloaded to the computer. The download process will take time depending on the internet connection speed. Add Metasploitable VirtualBox. Open the VirtualBox program. Click the Import button. On the screen that appears, navigate to the folder where the OVA file is located. You can do this by clicking the folder icon next to the box labeled File. Select the file, click Open. Click Next to proceed to the next step. This section contains general information about the virtual computer. At the bottom of the window, in the Machine Base Folder section, we determine where the image file will be installed. My recommendation would be to collect all virtual computers under a single folder. I use a folder called VMS on my computer, and I create all my virtual computers here. You can right-click on the image file and copy or move it with one of the Copy or Move options. I go to the folder, click Open Folder. Click Finish and wait for the import process to finish. At the end of the import process, you can see that Metasploitable has been added to the VirtualBox menu. Start the computer by clicking Start. Enter username and password. The default credentials are username, Vagrant, password, Vagrant. You may get an error message like this after adding Metasploitable. This is due to a problem with the virtual machine's Ethernet cards. To solve this problem, click Setting of the Metasploitable virtual machine. Click Network on the left side. Click Adapter 2 on the right side screen. Remove the box next to Enable Network Adapter. Click OK and exit. Start Metasploitable. And the virtual computer is ready to be used.